Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video lesson, we will learn about the importance of office work in any business. Both the manufacturers and the sale of the goods need a great deal of office work behind the actual making of selling and goods. And this is we call the office work. For example, uh, in a factory, if someone runs a factory, in a factory, there are a lot of people who are not producing the things, but they are actually making the things smooth for the factory or to produce the goods. For example, there are people who are working who take the orders from the wholesale dealers, or they make sure that orders are completed on time. Same goes for the accountants who keep the accounts of different expenditures or inventory management, paid bills or unpaid bills. So there is a great deal of office work behind these processes. Are other peoples who keep the record of the materials, that how much materials is stored in a factory which is used in manufacturing the goods, or how much they need on a daily basis. So these all process involves the people who are not actually working on producing things, but rather they are making sure that things do not run out, or the manufacturing process runs smoothly. There are the peoples who are directly in contact with the wholesale dealers, that how much goods they need, and how much money they have paid, and what are their remaining bills. And there is another department in big industry, like that is we call human resource management. What they do, they actually calculate the value of the labor put into this process. They keep the record of every employee, that who which employee is coming and which employee is not coming, who takes more leaves, and who works smoothly and who works regularly. They calculate their pays according to the hours they have spent on working in the factory. Let me give you the example of your own school, Chandbagh School. In the Chandbagh School is basically a school where the main purpose is to educate the students. Now, teachers are teaching in classes, students are taking their classes. But behind this smooth working, there is a lot of work which others do. Like your accounts department, they calculate the fees of the students, they calculate the other expenditures of the schools, they calculate the payments of the teachers. So then there is a bursar's office which also runs the school's account and management. Like they make sure that your campus remains clean, neat and clean. All the repairment work should be done on a priority. And then our principal, what the principal, he makes sure that quality education is delivered to all the students. They draw the timetable of your classes, they allot the timetable to the teachers, and then there is a whole new management in your houses, which have directly no business with teaching or the studies, but they are essentials to run the total management of Chandbagh School. So now you can imagine the importance of the office work. In factories, I have given you examples how many kind of other office work is carried out. So the office work is uh, compulsory and essential element of running any business. Now I want you to read about the office work on the page number of 57 of your book, and list the different offices of Chandbagh which has no direct relation to study or academics, but they are essential to run the Chandbagh organization. This is your homework.